bad. Merredin's connection with the railway has been a very strong relationship over the years. And it forms the backbone of the history of the town. The agricultural land around Merredin produces 40% of Western Australia's wheat quota. Now, as a focal point for the region, Merredin's local bulk handling cooperative receives and processes in excess of 1 million tonnes of grain every year. So it all gets shipped out of here. The silos at the back there, can you see those really long silos? They are the biggest of their type in the southern hemisphere. Behind me is the Merredin Railway Station. It's the original railway station. It became very dilapidated in the 50s and 60s and 70s, and then it got renovated. And now it is the town's museum. When it became very dilapidated and in a poor state, the town debated whether to demolish it. But there were petitions signed and it was decided to keep the railway station.
The railway reached the town of Merredin in 1893.
These houses on the right are the old railway houses, and all the railway workers used to live in these types of houses. They look very dilapidated these days. There's a lot that have been demolished now, and there's only a few remaining. I'm surprised that they haven't tried to heritage list some of them, because after they're gone, they'll be gone forever. This passenger train provides a daily service between Perth and Kalgoorlie, and it stops off in Merredin. It's called the Prospector. Now, this provides a train service between Perth and Kalgoorlie. It's been going for about 40 years, 40, maybe 50 years. And it provides a fast train service between Perth and Kalgoorlie. When I was a child, I used to travel on it, and we used to get meals on board, so I don't know whether they still serve meals on board. And this is the third version of the train, I think. There's been other versions of it, and they've just redesigned it and got new vehicles over the years. This current version of the Prospector is only about 5 years old. Quite a modern looking train. When I was a kid, they even used to give us meals on board, so I don't know whether they still do that. I'd love to take a ride on the Prospector again one day. Well, this is the train station that was built in the 70s to replace the old Merredin railway station. And I don't reckon it's an improvement. I much prefer the old station, and the old station is just over there. Over and out.